Hey guys, so this is High Lake. It's right above where we were just down there, which was Long Lake. That's where we camped out for the night. We're over 12,000 feet, right? Oh, we're over 11,000 something feet, so pretty badass. There's Bobby there. It's windy as fuck, but it's super nice. There's tea, and yeah, check in with you guys later. Guys, look, there's 2 bucks right there. 8 point in front of me, and there's another one that looks to be about 8 point just behind him. This is pretty cool. It happened randomly. We didn't even see him. We just gotta be quiet to make sure that we don't scare them. Hey guys, I am coming to you from the trail. I don't even know what the trail's called. In the Sequoia National Forest. We are on our way to Mount Whitney. The plan was to be there in about a day or 2. Actually, I think 2 days from now. So far it's going really well. We've hiked, I don't know, probably more than 15 miles. Pretty steep terrain. At one point we hiked, almost a mile straight up on just sheer rock cliffs that if you were to just slip and fall, you'd be done, you'd be dead. Body's aching. I decided to break off from the guys a little bit. They're a little bit back. One of them has an injury, and I just kind of wanted to be off by myself. It's not really good to do that, but kind of came out here and try and see if I could spot a bear. We spotted an 8-point buck and a 10-point buck earlier right off the trail. Haven't seen anything since, but it's been nice. It's been really fun. This is my backpack here. I think total weight I'm carrying, I don't know, more than 50 pounds it feels like. It's certainly heavy. But yeah, so far so good. We should get into camp tonight, ideally before sunset. If not, that's kind of a shitty thing. So hopefully that kind of works out and we're all good. Alright guys, check in with you later. Bye. Hey guys, so just made it to Goo.gl Pass. Elevation 14,000, maybe a little bit higher. Little sign in the tree here. And yeah, it's hard. You can see the guys coming up right now. It's really steep, good 55-60 degree pitch, and it's all S-turns, so definitely burns out one leg and then the other. Anyways, post up right here for a little bit, and then check in with you guys later. See ya. Hey guys, coming to you from High Creek, or some place along this trail. We have about 7.6 miles left to Whitney. It's somewhere this way, I believe. Could be one of those 2 mountains there. Right now, there's a nice little stream here, no fish. And I'm just gonna put my feet in the water and just relax for a little bit. We've had a lot of hard days climbing. We've done, double-digit, miles for total distances. I'm guessing it's probably more than 20 miles at this point. And this whole trip is in around 50, we think. So overall, it's been awesome. It's a lot on the body. It takes a lot. You're not really eating a lot. So I'm already down 2 belt notches. So pretty tough, but awesome. And yeah, hope you guys are having a great time back home. Talk to you soon. So it's day 4. Today we're summiting Mount Whitney. Is that guy, that right there. It's about 14,000 something feet. I think it's just under 15,000. I guess there's a little bit of a discrepancy. But in around 14 something to 15 even. Right now we're progressively getting higher, so whatever elevation we're at now, which is around 10,000 something, 10.6. I think we're going up another 1,000, 2,000 feet to this place called Guitar Lake, where then we're gonna drop our stuff and then hike 5.5 miles up to Mount Whitney, hang out there for an hour, hike another 5.5 down, set up base camp for the night. It's supposed to be barren and really windy and about 36 degrees, so hopefully you can stay warm
because I've definitely been having trouble staying warm. You know, felt like I had hypothermia a couple nights in a row. But so far so good. This is what it is. Alright, check in with you guys later. This is some of the trail leading up to Mount Whitney. It's 7.6 miles from Upper Rock Creek or Upper something, Crab Croc Creek, I don't know, some shit like that, where we stayed last night. And then it goes to here, so looks like we just keep going up. Alright, check in with you guys later. Hey guys, so we're a few miles further up from Upper Crab Creek, or whatever it's called. We're in some wasteland in the middle of nowhere. There's pretty much no life up here except for marmots and a couple of birds. Let me show you what's around. Temperature wise, it's like low 70s, maybe upper 60s. I'm not really sure. The t-shirt feels fine, breeze feels fine because we're sweating. We're still carrying 30 plus pounds on our backs. Ideally we make it up to Guitar Lake, drop off our stuff and then sum it up. So I'll check in with you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so we made it up to Guitar Lake. I'm not sure if they call it that because it's shaped like a guitar, can't see, but it's pretty desolate and rocky. Looks like, you know, there's not much to do around here, but close up right here. Get our little tents going. It's definitely windy, it's cold, it's gonna be fucking cold. Definitely have to prepare correctly. But anyways, yeah, so hopefully in a little bit we'll start hitting the 5.5 mile trek up to the top of the mountain and then the 5.5 miles back down. Catch you guys later. Bye. We finally made it up to Mount Whitney. Not even sure what time it is, but 14,496.11 feet. 0.811 feet. Whatever, it's fucking tall. It's hard. I'm glad we did. Here's a little view. I'll show you more once I eat. See ya. 14,500 feet. So we're on our way back. You can hear the lightning and the thunder, or hear the thunder, see the lightning. We're trying to get out of here because yesterday we got caught in a pretty bad rainstorm. All stuff got wet, so we're trying to get out of here. And yeah, this is what it looks like up above. Over here it's kind of light, but seemingly with, you can hear a little bit of that. Yeah, I know you can hear that. So that being said, out of rain. No one wants to get wet 2 nights in a row. See ya. Update to the last video. It's now hailing. Pea-sized hail. You can see a little bit of it up there. All those little white spots falling. That's all hail. It doesn't hurt. But needless to say, I just want to get out of here. Check in there. I just crossed this thing. It was shitty, but I did it. It's raining, it's slippery, but I did it. Holy shit. Hey guys, coming to you from Soldier Lakes. Finally made it up here from, where did we start? From Rock Creek. It took, was it 3.5, 4 miles. But we finally made it. We're going to wait out the rainstorm that's inevitable. Good. Same as yesterday, we don't want to be walking in a little bit of hail again today. Not much. This time we didn't get soaked when we were able to camp ahead of time because there's a gear tent. So it wasn't so so bad. But yeah, hopefully we can clear out the 10 miles.